Which fellowship is better for you? CSIR, GATE, ICMR, or DBT? Just finished with your masters? Or are you in your final year and hell scared about your career ahead? Almost every such student ends up being super confused at this phase of their career. Being science students, you must already be aware of the need and importance to be associated with the research domain. Hence, a PhD is going to become a mandate in the near future. But getting into such programs is again another challenge. There are quite many PhD fellowships available like CSIR, ICMR, GATE, DBT, etc. It can be intimidating to choose one from these to ensure you get your monthly stipends on time and complete your PhD. How would you decide which fellowship is better for you? CSIR, GATE, ICMR, or DBT? Let's analyze each of these fellowships to help you decide which one to choose. Keep watching to know more. CSIR Fellowship. CSIR is the most recognized fellowship for PhD in India, and if you qualify CSIR UGC NET exam, you can either get Junior Research Fellow or lectureship. Top qualified students are also awarded Shama Prasad Mukherjee Grant. The CSIR fellowships are tenable in any of the government research institutions, universities, IITs, government establishments, CSIR research laboratories, or any R&D establishments of recognized public or private sector. Fellowship amount Rs 31,000 per month for first 2 years and Rs 35,000 for next 3 years. If the fellow is registered for PhD and upgraded to SRF. The number of fellowships awarded or exam varies depending on the cutoff marks and the number of qualifying candidates. CSIR and UGC sets up cutoff marks based on difficulty of exam and performance of candidates, and any candidate securing greater than or equal to that cutoff is awarded a JRF position. JRF Gate MSc as well as BE, BTech, BArch, PPharm candidates can pursue research leading to PhD if they qualify the GATE exam. This fellowship is tenable only in CSIR and its laboratories in India. Selection of JRF GATE will be done by CSIR laboratories by following selection procedure guidelines of advertising and interview by committee duly constituted by the director. The selected candidates will get to pursue PhD either by getting direct admission to a PhD program, or the candidates may pursue MTech as a part of the PhD program after joining as JRF GATE. Fellowship amount Rs 31,000 per month for first 2 years and Rs 35,000 for next 3 years if the fellow is upgraded to SRF GATE. Number of fellowships awarded each year 120. ICMR ICMR NET exam is conducted by the Indian Council of Medical Research to award junior research fellowships to help young scientists carry out successful research in the field of biomedical sciences and social sciences at research institutes and universities in India. ICMR exam qualification specifically opens up the opportunity for students to work in the medical research field. ICMR JRF qualifying candidates can enroll themselves for the PhD program of any UGC or MCI recognized university. Fellowship amount Rs 31,000 per month plus annual contingency grant of Rs 20,000 per annum. The fellow may be awarded SRF after successful assessment by the review committee. Number of fellowships awarded 150 out of which 120 will be in the field of life sciences and 30 for social sciences. DBT. The key objective of the DBT BET Junior Research Fellowship Program is to provide fellowship to enough researchers in the biotechnology field in the country. DBT JRF has two categories of fellowships. The first category offers fellowships that are tenable in any research institution or university. Under the second category, the qualified students are eligible to join any of the DBT funded external projects in the country after following the selection process of the host institute. They can avail fellowship equivalent to net qualification from the extramural R&D project funds. Fellowship amount rupees 31,000 per month for first 2 years and rupees 35,000 for next 3 years. If the fellow is registered for PhD and upgraded to SRF. Number of fellowships awarded 275 under category 1, 100 under category 2. It is always best to aim for CSIR net fellowship if you are not having any specific requirements in the research field, as ICMR and DBT may be a little restrictive in these areas. The best part about preparing for CSIR NET exam is its syllabus. The CSIR NET syllabus covers the majority of topics from DBT JRF and GATE exam syllabus as well. So why not target two birds with one stone? It will be a smart move. But in the end, choice is yours. Analyze what your goals are, what you are good at, and then tread accordingly. Do refer to the link given below for more details. Subscribe to Biotecnika channel and hit the bell icon. We will be back with many more interesting videos.